Hi, I'm Pam Demore, the Decorating Diva, and I am so excited to be teaching in Daytona in February at the AQS Quilt Week. I am going to be teaching in the serger room all day, every day. So you got to come out to the serger room and find me. We're going to be doing some fun stuff. Got some great projects I'm going to be teaching. So let me just show you one of them. This bag is what we call the studio bag. And it is just an awesome bag to make. The kits will have everything you need cut ready to sew. So there's no prep before class, which is awesome, right? It's got a hard bottom with bag feet. It's got a box pleated trim here. It has a flat lock wave stitch here. There's piping here. There's standard piping here. There's micro welt here, which is smaller. There's straps that are long enough that you can put it over your shoulder. And there is a zipper in the back. Now, this is a complicated class. It's an all-day class on Thursday, the 20th. We will not be doing the zipper in class just because it's more important to me that everybody get done or close to done. But I will demo how to do that zipper. Inside here, there's a two-way zipper at the top, and there's a zipper in the lining. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, why is there a zipper in the lining? Well, there's a very good reason why there's a zipper in the lining, but if you want to find out, you got to come to class. You got to come and see how much fun it is to make a bag on your serger. So whether you're an experienced person on the serger or you're just starting out, this is a bag for everybody. It's going to be lots of fun to make. We'll have lots of help in class, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. I use my bag all the time. I love the fact that it has a zipper so I can close it off. I love the fact that it's roomy, it's lightweight, and you're going to love it. It's just a great bag to carry. And everywhere you go, people are going to compliment you and say, where'd you get that beautiful bag? And you're just going to say, I made it on my serger. So if you're trying to decide whether it's time to take that serger out of the box, join me for a full day in Daytona for the serger studio bag. You're going to love it.